We are live, we are live. Hello, hello, everybody. Happy Sunday. So, it's time to tell you what was in the box of May. Are you with me? Is Facebook with me? Yeah, I think so. I think we're all live everywhere. Okay, what was in the box? The Oasis box of May. You want to know? Let's open it up. And I'm telling you guys, this month for June, we might have a few spots available. I know we're closed, it's sold out and everything, but we might have a few spots available. So get on the wait list. Get your kiddos on the wait list. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? So let's go for this. This month, last month, the Maze box had, so we wrapped it this time because we know that your kiddos like to get gifts. So we wanted it to feel like a gift, this one. Okay, and these were the things that came in the box. First of all, your seed pack, right? So, and this month, as you can see, it was dill. Our seeds are always organic, always organic. And for Canadians, it came in the box. For the US, it actually came separately. But the good news is, starting this month, the month of June, we have opened a fulfillment office in the US, which means that your kiddos in the US will get their seeds inside their box too. So no more waiting for the seeds to arrive separate than the box. So we solved that problem, gone out of the way. So the dill seeds. But okay, what are you gonna do? What are your kids are gonna do with this dill seed pack? As usual, we had the activity guide, so that it told them exactly how to plant their dill seeds. So step 1, step 2, step 3, with all the instructions, with little things here and there that stimulates their curiosity and all of that, while they're doing this fun activity of growing their seeds. But what do you need to provide them when they are, hello Jessica, hi Zahra, hello guys. So what else do they need other than this guide and the seed pack? Well, they need somewhere to plant it, and we know that not everybody has a huge garden. So in the box, another thing that was provided in the box was a planting bag. So this got folded and placed in your kiddo's box. So it opens like that. It's plenty of space for them to grow their seed pack, because herbs, we grow them, and it's in the guide. So we grow the herbs actually, we sprinkle them. So this was plenty of space for them to actually fill up the soil and then sprinkle their seeds as it is given to them in the activity guide, right? Okay, so they essentially had everything they needed. The guide that came, the seeds, where they're gonna plant it, and the only thing that you actually had to buy them, the parents had to buy them, was the soil. Because guess what? Soil is heavy and it takes space. And that's the only thing we haven't been able to actually include in our boxes, but that's all you need to do. And here's the shopping list, right? And we also have another card which you can put in your purse when you're going outside to actually purchase the material. And we call it the shopping list. So the shopping list was in there, the guide was in there, the bag was in there, the seeds were in there, they're all in there, all ready for your kiddos to actually get their hands dirty. We love the dirtiest hands. In the month of May. Now, this month was about hardening off and transplanting. So that's a lesson a cute little lesson telling them what is it, what is hardening off, what is transplanting, why do we do it, when do we do it, and all of that. And in the back, exact step by step on how we do the transplanting. And the reason for this is that the previous months we actually our kiddos had some like marigolds and things like that, corn, things like that, that they grew, and now it's time to transplant them. And there you have all the instructions, when to do it, how to do it, and all that in this lesson. So that was the theme of the month. And also the dill that they're about to grow this month, we actually had a care. How do you care for it? What do you do after that? Like, okay, fine, you grew your dill. What do you do with it now? If you grew it in here, what do you do with it? If you grew it outside in the garden, how do you take care of it? If you grew it in something smaller, do you need to transplant it? So that's all explained here. And at the back, some cute suggestions about what is it that we can do with the dill. Okay, so now dill grew. What are we going to do with it? How can we actually use it? Some ideas here. Then, as every month, we had our conversation starters, the garden talk cards. These are collectibles. The kiddos get to actually cut these out, so these are cut outs. And then we provided this month, and from now on we're going to do that. We provided this loop that they can actually collect them. It shows you in the picture over here. So they can actually collect them together after they actually cut them out. And there's little logos at the back so that they look cute. And there are questions and there are statements in these that are related to the theme of the month, which was hardening off and transplanting, that actually gets them to talk to you about it, talk to their siblings about it. That deepens the learning, essentially. Okay, that was that. As usual, we had a coloring page for the younger ones that like coloring, or older ones, like my 11-year-old loves coloring too. So that's for that. And as you see, it's related to transplanting, right? So that's another way of them, get their hands into some sort of art that repeats and deepens the learning about the topic of the month for them. And we're not done yet. There's so much in these boxes, right? There's stickers. So that was the sticker of the month. These are collectibles. You can't find them anywhere else. Only our box owners, box members get them. Oh, I wanted to I forgot. I wanted to bring my daughter's pad, because your kiddos in their first box, like for example, if you enroll for this month and get those few spots that we have, because we might have some spots available, go get in the link and make sure that your email is in our wait list, so that when we have spots available, you're the first to know, right? So for example, if this month this is the first box that you're going to get, your kids will get a cork pad, and I wanted to bring my daughters, and it's filled with all the mantra cards and stickers that we had from months and months before, but I forgot to do that. But anyway, so they get a cork pad, and every month they get a mantra card. This is the mantra of the month, and this month the mantra card said, I can't read backwards. We care for plants and they care for us back. And it comes with this little cute thing, and they can actually hang it on the cork pad. And we give them, this box is missing it. I forgot to put it for my daughter, but she can come to me and get it from me. It comes with a cute little pin. Okay, so we give you the pin even, so that your kiddos can actually read this, collect their sticker at the back if they want. If they have a sticker notepad or something, they want to collect it somewhere else, obviously they can do that too, but they get to collect it here if they want. And every month there's a mantra, and they pin it on their mantra cork pad, and they get to see all of these together. Okay, so these are reminders of the things that the kiddos in this club believe about and learn about, and there are reminders for them in front of them, so that every once in a while, you know, they get to go and take a look. And I'm dropping everything all over the place and review and learn again, right? And that's about that. So again, we had the stickers and the mantra card. We had the coloring paper of the month, and then we had the conversation starters, the collectible cutouts. We had the lesson or the topic of the month, which was hardening off and transplanting. They get the seed. Oh, there's two more things I forgot to tell you about. These boxes are full, I'm telling you. They got the seeds. You get the shopping list. You get the activity guide, step-by-step guide on how to actually plant your seeds. They got the planting bag that you can fill up and they can plant in it. If you have a garden, obviously you can plant it outside. And there are two more things I forgot to tell you about. There are the two games at the back of the guide. And this is essentially the list of everything that's in your box, so that you can check it. If in case something's missing or something, you can let us know. And also, your family's garden win of May. So these are all the different activities that they get in the box. And every one of them has points, and the planting deal gets the most points, and they can check them off, and they can collect them, add them together in the middle. And you know, this would be the report card of the month, essentially your family's report card. So that reminds you what you did together, what you grew together, what you learned together, and all of that. And you get to use these to enter our contests. Every month we have a contest and we give away prizes and things like that. Yeah, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that was everything. A lot of things come in these boxes. It's themed. They all work together. They get your kiddos' hands dirty, and they grow something that you can actually use in your food with them. There's lots in here. Okay, so every month your kiddos will get one of these, and we are sold out. But every month, you know, close to the middle of the month, we know if we have any spots available, and if we do, then you want to be on our wait list. So go click on the link and give us your email, so that you will be the first to know about any spots that we have available. Okay? All right. Awesome, guys. If you have any questions, obviously put them down below. I'm going to go through them, and we are going to answer. I'm going to go ahead and answer all of your questions. Okay? See you in the wait list. Bye-bye.